Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I wanted to show you my Vieve collection, what I've got so far, what I love, what I don't, and everything in between. I have been collecting some Vieve bits and pieces since she started the brand, and I wanted to just go through what I've got so far, what I like and what I don't. I like most things, to be honest, but just thought I'd go through them one by one and show you. Now the first thing is this bag. I love this bag. Now this was designed for an entire face. Now by entire face, what she meant was she wanted a bag that can take everything like all your makeup bits and pieces, including skincare, foundation, things that can be quite bulky, and fit it all in one bag so it can sit in your dressing table. I thought it was a great idea because the makeup bag's too small, and the alternative is like having everything cluttered up in your dresser, or a big wash bag or something, but it's not that glamorous, is it? So this is it empty. I've got my dresser right beside me, so that's where I'm putting everything. So here's the bag, empty. And you've got the Vieve label here, which is lovely, and you've got the kind of faux leather design. The only thing I would say about this is it's missing a handle. I would love it to have either a top handle or probably a handle there, just for taking it around, but it's fine. Now I'm going to show you what it can fit. Okay, so first up, I'm going to go skincare. So I have my Drops of Light by the Body Shop first in the box. I have my Drops of Youth serum by the Body Shop is next. I have my Forever Glow foundation by Dior. Plenty of room. I have my e.l.f. powder. I have my Vieve highlighter. My Vieve Essential palette. Two blushers. Two Vieve lipsticks. 3 Vieve eye wands, mascara, brows, Vieve lip liner. So that's an entire face. That's everything you need for your makeup for a day, including your skincare, and there's still plenty of room. So that can sit on top of my dressing table, and I'm quite happy that it's just everything's out the way and it's to hand. So yeah, pretty good. So that's the first thing I love. Right, so let me just show you the collection. First up, first thing I got was her eyeshadow palette, the Essential palette. Love, love, love. Massive pans. So nothing's going to run out anytime soon. Really pigmented shadows. Really lovely. I've used them all, and I've used them in a couple of videos, so you can have a wee look at that. That's the first thing. Next up, two blushers. I've got Piazza and I've got Pesca. One is Peachy. Pesca, favourite blusher ever. I absolutely love it. It's the perfect peach. Piazza, which is more of a bronzy type blush, but really, really nice. Love that. I have the Vieve highlighter, and that's in Holy Chic. I love it. It's a nice size, but is it any different to any other highlighter I've tried in the past? Not really. And it's very expensive for what it is. It's a highlighter. Probably doesn't need to be the size it is, so I'm not sure I'd replace that, to be honest. It is a lovely highlighter, don't get me wrong, but it's just a wee bit overpriced. Next up I have Brat lip liner. It's a nice nude, but a little bit warm, I would say. When I say warm, I mean like kind of too much orangey undertone for me. I have 2 lipsticks. I have Coming in Hot and Treasure. Coming in Hot, quite a warm peachy blush, peachy lipstick, and the other one is Treasure, which is very, very nude. Now I would have to say that these are the 2 products I'm not mad keen on. They're lovely, the packaging is beautiful, it's very Tom Ford. You've got the V, it's the perfect shape of Vieve lipstick. So absolutely love the packaging, and the quality and the texture I have to say are all great. It's just the colour, I just find them a bit flat. They just don't do anything for me. Eye ones, on the other hand, are fantastic. I love, love, love these. They're perfect. I started off with Camel, which is the palest. You can see here. From there I moved to Hazelnut. Which is deeper toned. And then I got the black. And it's a great solid black. It's beautiful, I love it. The beauty of these is they do not budge. They stay put all day, all night. I've put them to the test. They don't crease, they don't smudge, they don't transfer. So they're great as an under, like a base, or they're great just to shadow themselves. I tend to blend them together, I think they're fab. So yeah, that's my whole Vieve collection so far. I'm loving the brand. I'll probably get some more, probably try the rest of the lipsticks, but I'll show you what I mean about the lip colour Treasure. It's just really quite flat. You know? So I'm not too sure about that, but the other products are fab. So yeah, I would definitely give it a try if you're looking for some new products. But it's, yeah, all in all, pretty good. So now you've seen all the products, now I'm going to show you what they look like on. So I've prepped my skin. I have my base on, powder. Okay, so I'm going to start with some eye and Camel. Eye number 2, Hazelnut. Notice no blending as yet. Third eye blonde in black. So there you have it, the finished look using all of these products today. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!